Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your Cash App link to your TikTok bio in 2025. So, step 1, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon to view your unique dollars cash tag. Step 2, tap share and next to your dollars cash tag and then select copy link. Step 3, open your TikTok and go to your profile. You can tap the edit profile section and then step 4, tap the website field and paste your Cash App link. Step 5, hit save and then your Cash App link is now visible in your bio. Step 6, test it by tapping from your TikTok profile. It should open the Cash App page instantly. Now, your followers can easily send you money via your Cash App from TikTok. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.